Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial coming from me to you guys. So this tutorial is very outstanding and unique, so you can rock this gele anywhere during this Xmas celebration and you will stand out and look beautiful. So just watch on the screen and you understand what I am doing here. So the system I use is 70-30 system. Push one side is longer, the other side is shorter. So if you watch on the screen, you will see that I'm coming up with the 70 part and I crossed it slantly on the edge. So as I come out, because it's not going to be straight on the person's head, you cross it slantly so that the beauty and shape of this gele will come out. So you just form your pleat after that. Form your pleat from the beginning to the end of this gele. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. I'm kind of forming my pleats now. So when you are done forming your pleat, you just use your needle and thread and sew it. Sew it very well. Sew it with the first gele. As you form your pleats, you sew it, or when you are done, you sew all at the same time. Make sure you sew it very well, and make sure you use the thread that matches with the color of the gele so that the thread would be visible on the head. So when you are done sewing it, you know we have extra on the other side of the gele. So what you have to do is you just tag it with the down of this gele as well. When you are done tagging it, you just take it to the back of the first pleat that you have formed. But make sure that you tag it so that it will be firm when you take it back. Take it back and then pin it down with the first pleat that you have achieved. Arrange it very well and then pin both together. When you are done, this is the back of this gele. So we have the 30th part of this gele that is remaining. So I'm just going to use it to cross, cover the back of the head, then fold it and then. So when you're done folding it, you have to just fold it inside the first gele. Or whichever way that you feel that is better for you, but make sure you use it to cover the back of your hair. That is the beauty of this gele. So when you fold it inside like this, as you are seeing on the screen, if it's not firm enough, you can just use your pin to hold it so that it will be firm. Then use your pin to cover the remaining part of this gele. This gele is very simple and I'm trying as much as I can to make it very fast and brief. So when you are done, you have to just divide this side into two. So fold it, make sure you arrange it very well before you pin down. Use your pin, or you can sew it as well. Remember, you are sewing with the color of the color of the gele. So guys, for those of you that just subscribed to my channel, I love you guys and I will keep on celebrating you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back, my old subscribers. I love you guys and I wish you Merry Xmas in advance, and I wish you a beautiful celebration. So This gele is for you to try out this Xmas period, because I know you'll stand out when you wear it. So now you just have to do some little arrangement, arranging your gele very well. Arrange your gele very well. So guys, remember, I love you guys and I appreciate and celebrate you guys always. Thank you for being there for me, my old subscribers. I love you much. No subs, you are welcome to this great family. We'll have a lot to learn. You will never regret being on this channel. We'll have a lot. So thank you so much. Thank you all. So this is the back of this gele. So this is the finished look. This gele is beautiful and I believe you will love it. I believe you will like it. So if you like this tutorial, please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and remember to share this video with your loved one, with your friends. Thank you so much. I appreciate you and celebrate you always. If you have not subscribed, please try to subscribe, and when you do, remember to click on the notification bell up there so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video.